Yep, I am going to share my secret. In today's video, I am going to show you how I promote Live Good with the possibility of making up to $1,000 a month, which is around 18,000 Rand, 850. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. In this channel, we make money online, and it doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, and what you do. You too can make money online. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop so I can show you every secret that I have when it comes to promoting Live Good. Let's go to my laptop. First thing that you need to do, you need to log into your account. If you do not have an account, it is $50 to join, which is a once-off, and then monthly you'll pay membership fees of just $10. When you go to statistics, you see how many people actually hit your referral link. So I haven't been promoting, so now I'm going to promote. And then when you go under my website, this is where you're going to get your links. So there's 3 links I want you guys to get. The Live Good tour one, when someone wants to join Live Good, they are going to click this one, and I'm going to paste it on my notepad. And then the second one is the shop one, where you are selling products. So if you are promoting products on that day, you will use this one. And then the Live Good super rates, it is a separate one where they're just promoting good products. So when you click this Live Good tour, a person will be able to enter their details and reserve a spot. And then Live Good will do the follow-up for you, so which is a good thing. And you will earn 50%, which is $25 for each and every person who goes and sign up. And then now you go to Facebook and search for this group, Live Good Product Testimonials. So this one, I basically go through this page and see some of the testimonies that people are sharing. And then I will save these pictures. So for example, this one, the person is talking about her high blood pressure are going down. So it is a good one and good for when you want to sell products to someone who has high blood pressure. So this is one I'm going to save. You must remember to also copy what the person has said so that you'll be able to use that when you post. And then this is the second one, which is also good. This is a product as well. So you save the pictures, guys, because you want to sell these products as well. You do get serious money when you sell these products. Under our website, you'll get the link for your shop and also for super rates, and then it'll show you exactly how much money you're going to sell. So even if a person doesn't buy the product, maybe they want discounts, they would have to join Live Good. So they will use the Live Good tour link and then join Live Good to get discounts. So can you see how you're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone? So you just go and also copy what they have posted, guys, but do remember to check what they posted and remove their links and put your links. So now I go and find a video. So with the video, how I save it, I go to snapsave.com and then I copy the Facebook link of where I found the video, and then I just download the video. So now I have a video, I have pictures. I'll continue doing that. Sometimes even copy the hashtags because people already did a research on this, and then you just copy. So can you see with this post, you can sell 3 products from Live Good, and that's serious money for you. And this, guys, you get every Thursday. So can you see, if someone joins, you get every Thursday. Products you get every Thursday. And then there is also a monthly passive income that we all get, each and every person who joins Live Good, and then they are placed in your matrix. You make money from that. So guys, every month I expect passive income. So you then go to Canva, guys, because we cannot post these pictures the way they are. We need to add something. So I'll just type Facebook Reels. If you're going to post on Instagram, you'll type Instagram post. So but I want something that looks like just the right size for Reels. And then I'll just scroll and look for these templates and look for the one which I can change easily. So I'll just select this one. I'll just double click and say customize this template. And then and click customize this template, and then it will open, and then I'll just edit it the way I want to edit. Click upload the photo or the video that you want. So I've just replaced this video. So can you see how we are going to use this video? And already the template has the right data for us. So you just change it the way you want. If you want to add something else, you go to elements on the left hand side and just search for buy, and then you will put this there, and then just edit the way you want. And then when you are happy, delete whatever you don't need when you are happy, guys, and then you just click share. So I'm almost done fixing my picture, actually my clip, and then when a person play this, they will see something. So I just went to Facebook and checked what that post was all about, and then this is what I got. And I was able to change it to the right one, because it is a protein powder that they are selling here, and you want to create that. And then you click share, you download, and then you have this in your laptop or in your phone. You can do this in your laptop, you can do this in your phone. And then now that we have this clip, we are going to share this clip, guys, everywhere. And I'm going to show you where. You start with your Facebook page. If you do not have a Facebook page, guys, create this Facebook page. Start small, but then it will grow. One day you will have like a page that will even earn you money from Facebook, because you can earn money from that. So I'll just start with this one, this post, and then I'm just going to show you the boring way of posting, and also I'll show you the smartest way of posting. So Super Rates helped with blood pressure, and then I'll just take the link for Super Rates, and if someone buys, so I just wanted to give them options. Even the shop one, I took both, so that if they are not interested in Super Rates, then they will click the shop one, and then they will make money. So you just add more information, but then I'm going to show you a smarter way to actually post. So let's just go to ChatGPT and type social media post to sell health products. So can you see all of this is done for us by ChatGPT. These days, guys, we do not need to struggle. So can you see all this information that you are getting? You can use this information and post. So for me, I just said product name is Live Good Supplements, and then it gave me that, and then one paragraph. And now I'm going to use the same photo or different one, but then now I'm going to use the social media post that was created by ChatGPT, because really I'm not even good. I'm not a marketer. It's not easy for me to come up with these paragraphs. So ChatGPT is there for you. So you can just copy everything and then just add. Guys, always remember to add your referral link, your shop link. Do not post anything without your link. And also keep checking your inbox in Facebook to make sure that people, when they ask questions, you are there to answer or maybe reply with your referral link if they missed it. So can you see now we have a post that is much better. If someone looks at this and see that actually I can look younger, so I go to my other groups and I do the same thing. So I have multiple pages. I'll just post there, because we all have the same problem of aging or high blood or different sicknesses. We all have that. So now we are going to, there's so many people around the world, guys, who are struggling with that. So I'm just going to keep posting. So the next thing is groups, guys. Remember, we were posting on pages. Now Facebook groups, guys. So now you go to your main account, because groups only exist in your main account, and then you go to your groups, create a group, keep posting every day, get posts from social media, post. So now I'm going to post to this group. This is a group I'm also growing, and then one day this group, guys, is going to be a bigger group, and then one day I'll make money from that as well. So can you see, guys, how it is important to create Facebook pages for each and every project that you have, and also groups for each and every project. So the second place I'm going to post is my YouTube channel. Guys, if you do not have a YouTube channel, I'm actually becoming angry, because there is something that you can just create with your Gmail, and there is a video on my channel under community. I'll just click community, and then I'll just post there. Remember, the same words I got from ChatGPT, I am going to use those words. And then the same thing, guys, keep posting. If you can post 3 times a day, same words, or maybe go to ChatGPT, generate more, and have that script for that day and post 3 times. Because, guys, remember, there's a lot of people on social media, whereas if you go to people and just invite one by one, chances are you will not make it. So can you see now my post is there? You will never know who's going to click that, but I have my shop now and also Super Rates. And then I go to my TikTok account. You can create a TikTok account, and this account, guys, I don't even show my face. It is a new one. Can you see how I am also growing it? Just keep posting, get videos, get clips, you will get that under Live God testimonies. and then you will post that. Keep posting, guys. There's so much content you can post. So I normally use my laptop to do this. You can use your phone, and then under caption, that's where I put the description of what I am currently selling. So then I'll just post this on my TikTok. So can you see, guys, how we are doing this? If anyone asks, then I'll send my referral link, because this account, it doesn't have 1,000 followers, because with 1,000 followers you are able to add your referral link, actually your link tree, which is something that I will teach you guys on another video. Then I post it. I will never forget to post my link. You must always add your link, guys. And then we move on, guys. We keep checking our links, and then we post, guys. You keep posting. So now I got my script. I just took that from one of the content I got from ChatGPT. So I just keep posting, guys. So can you see daily different people will go to TikTok. The next one is Pinterest, guys. You create a pin. No, Pinterest has a lot of people, guys. It's just a lot, guys. We keep focusing on these other platforms and forgetting Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot, and it works well with pictures. So I just post this, and then under title I'll put description. I'll put everything that I have from ChatGPT, and then so I just copy all of this and then put under description, and then under link, then I'll put my link. So let's just replace this, and then if the text is too long, remove whatever you don't need so that it can fit. And can you see under link, that's where you put your shop. If someone, guys, click here and buy from all over the world, I make money. And then I did create a category where you can add, and then I do the same with the picture, because that one was the video, and then I just also post another pin using a picture. So with Pinterest, guys, if you can post 4 times, 5 times a day, the more people you get a day, the more money you will make. So the more you post on Pinterest, the more followers and reach you will get, and which is good for your account. And then I just continue, guys, posting on Pinterest, and then my pin will be there, guys. So now you keep posting, guys. Do not get tired every single day, guys. Can you see now that I'm serious about posting? You'll see that even my statistics will start improving. Like I'll get a lot of emails saying someone has joined, someone has joined, someone has joined, and that's how you go. So then last one I'm going to show you is Kura, guys. So create an account and then create a post there as well. So just keep creating posts there, ask a question, and then people will respond, and then when they respond, you will suggest your product. So I'm just going to do the same thing as well here. It's no different. Can you see how I'm doing the same thing? And then at the end, what am I putting? My Live Good link. So keep posting, guys. Do not get tired. The more you get tired, the more you won't make money. And just keep posting, guys. It is important. So another thing that I do, I just check other groups with like health and fitness, and then on those groups, I'll just go around the comments and see what questions people are asking, and then I will answer. And then I will answer. For example, let's just look for one. How does exposure different? So these ones, guys, it has nothing to do with health. So you just look for the ones, or maybe you can sign up at Digistore and get a referral link for a product that these people are looking for. So I'm just going to look for health, because Live Good is a health and fitness one, and then I'll just answer, guys. Keep answering. And then if you do not know how to answer a certain question to do with health, go back to Facebook where you got the picture and get the words that they use, and then you post, and then you keep answering health and fitness. What are some effective ways to kickstart a weight loss journey with the right diet plan? And then can you see you responding to this and also adding your referral link? So I'll go to Facebook again and copy this, because obviously this person, she's drinking a shake, and then I'll just give that. Can you see how relevant and the same, and how you are actually giving a value, but at the same time putting your referral link, and then you post, guys. And then yeah, guys, and then I'm now going to show you another picture which you can edit. You take the same picture, you go to Canva, and then you just put a link in bio so that the person can answer. So can you see, how do you make sure you look young? Link on bio. And then when a person clicks, and that's how you would also make money. So guys, never play with opportunities. Just keep finding ways. Do not give up. There's a lot of people online. So I'll just create a post now with this, pointing people straight to what I want them to buy. So guys, can you see that it is possible to make money online? You just need to be smart about it, and if you are not going to be serious about it, no one is going to do it for you. So now I'm going to share the last way place that I post: Facebook Marketplace. Guys, this is a place where they are selling cars, TV, sofas. You can already see from this. So all you have to click is just click create new listing, and then you list the live good products, and people will buy all over the world, and then you will make money. So you add photos, and then with the price, because we are not going to deliver, live good is going to deliver, you can just estimate whatever price you want. Same data from ChatGPT, same picture, but can you see how many places I've posted this? So you can just post. Guys, do remember that to join Live Good, it is $50 once off, and then after you get all these referral links, and then you'll follow the same strategy and make money online. Guys, you want to be making money even when you're sleeping. We are sleeping in South Africa, in America they are up, and this information we're sharing to them as well. So guys, you just need to continue think smart when it comes to making money online. So yeah guys, these are my methods of making money online, and I hope you guys, you will also try to do this daily. Guys, maybe exclude Sunday because I want you to go to church. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification.